Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner at bestrugprices.com, and today we're doing a quick little video to introduce our website and to tell you a little bit about the services that we have to offer. So our site is all about floor covering, and what you're staring at right now is the front sheet of our floor and decor blog. And what we do on our blog is we offer all kinds of floor covering information. Everything from information on carpet to hardwood to ceramic to luxury vinyl tile and plank. We offer tips on how to buy products at the right pricing, tips on how to shop for flooring. What's trending products, what's popular, just pretty much anything floor covering, and it's on our blog site. So we definitely encourage you to read some articles, especially if you have a floor covering project coming up. We think we can help you save a lot of money. Our other part of our website is from our homepage is area rugs. We have all kind of information on area rugs, pretty much of every size. Kids rugs, 8x10 rugs. We separate it out by size. Just all kind of information on area rugs. And the reason we do that is because many years ago, flooring stores, your local flooring stores, used to carry area rugs. And I'm not talking about the expensive oriental rugs. I'm talking about the everyday rugs that people put in their homes that are, $100 and less, up to maybe $500, that sort of thing. Well, what's happening now in the marketplace and if you're shopping for rugs, you probably have noticed this, is that not very many stores sell area rugs anymore. If you go to your local floor covering stores in your community, I would bet that you would find that very few of them have any area rugs at all, and the few that do carry area rugs are very limited in what patterns they have and sizes, and they're usually probably very overpriced. So what does that mean for somebody looking for area rugs? It means you got to shop online because there's just no other option. Well, shopping online for area rugs can, be a little scary. You don't know what the rug looks like, especially if the pictures aren't real nice and clear. So it's difficult. So what we do is we visit all these sites and we try to narrow down what we think are the best rugs in the marketplace, and we base that decision on the price of the rugs, what they're made of, the speed of shipping, and customer reviews, and we put that on our site as well. So we're just all about floor covering. We never charge a penny for our site, and everything's free. So it's just a great resource for you if you're doing anything floor covering related. And so, as an example, what I wanted to talk a little bit about today and show you a quick little example of what we put in our blog and as far as tips are concerned. So one of the things that's available on most manufacturers' websites these days that most people don't know about is what's called a room visualizer. So the way this works is, you can basically take your cell phone, take a picture of the room that you want to redo, upload it to a manufacturer's website, and shop from home. And the reason that's so cool is because it'll save you hours and hours of time. So what I thought I'd do is walk through an example of this. So there's a luxury vinyl tile and plank line called Karndean, and Karndean has a website, of course, and if you look hard enough, if you go under inspiration, there's a line here, floor style floor designer. So I'm going to click that, and I've been on this website, so I know how this works. And let's say this picture here, which is actually a picture that I uploaded. I just took it off the internet in preparation for this little video. But let's say this is your family room. So you've taken a picture off your phone of your room, and then you can go to this tab here and upload that picture, and it'll be right here in this space. But if you can imagine this is your space, and let's say you're looking for a new vinyl plank floor. So you can come down here, and this says select a floor. So what it does is it pulls up all these floors. Let's say you want to go with a stone look instead of a wood look, and you want oh heck, let's just pick one that's easy to see the difference on. So let's get a dark floor here. Let's pick that. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, now your room has changed to this stone looking floor. So let's just do one more for fun. Let's go to a different color so it'll be easy. Let's pick this dark one. And it takes a couple seconds for it to load. And then boom, there you go. There's a brand new floor. So this is really cool because what you can do as a customer when you're shopping, especially when you first start, you walk into a flooring store, you have no idea what you want. You have no idea what they carry. And you walk in and you see rows and rows of samples of stuff, and it could be really quite overwhelming. But what you can do is before you go shopping is call your store and the local store and ask them what manufacturers they carry. What do they have displays and samples of in the store for vinyl tile and plank? And if Karndean is one of those manufacturers, then what you can do is before you go to the store, go to the website like we're doing here, go through their product line, upload your picture like we did here, and start plugging in products. And then you can see what your room is going to look like in their product. And then when you have two or three that you really like, you jot down the style and colors, and then you go to your flooring store and say, hey, I was on this site. I want to get samples of these products and colors that I really like. It will save you all kinds of time. But that's just one tip. And that's just not for vinyl plank. If you want, carpet or hardwood or ceramic, pretty much every major manufacturer has this ability on their website. And that's just one of the tips that we throw out to customers that read our blog articles, and we wanted to share it with you today. So anyway, we're at bestrugprices.com, and we would love for you to come check out our site, read some of our blog posts, and leave some comments. Thank you very much.